In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to your Wix blog. Organizing your blog with clear categories makes it easier for visitors to find the content they care about, and it also helps you manage your posts as your site grows. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks inside your Wix dashboard so you can confidently set up your own categories. First, sign into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the website that has your blog. Once you're looking at your site's main dashboard, glance over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with different options for managing your site. Find the option labeled Blog. This is where Wix keeps all the tools and settings related to your blog posts. Go ahead and click on Blog. This will open the blog overview section. Here you can usually see your existing posts, drafts, and some quick stats. But for now, we're interested in how to manage categories. From this blog area, look again to the sidebar. You should see an option called Categories. This is where you control how your posts are grouped and labeled. Click on Categories to open the Categories Management page. If you still see another Categories option in the sidebar within the blog section, click it again to make sure you're inside the main Categories panel. This can feel a bit repetitive, but Wix sometimes shows similar labels in different parts of the blog tools. The important thing is that you end up on the page that lists any existing categories for your blog, or tells you that you don't have any yet. Once you're on the categories page, look for a button or link that says Create Category, or Create Categories. This is the control that lets you add a new category to your blog. Click on Create Categories. After you click this, Wix will open a small window or panel where you can type in the name of your new category. Choose a name that clearly describes the type of content you'll put there, like tips, tutorials, or news. Take a moment to think about how your readers browse your site, and try to keep your category names short and easy to understand. When you're happy with the category name, save it. Your new category will now appear in your categories list, ready to be assigned to your current and future blog posts.